Dear students, today in this video we are going to learn how to construct a triangle, a special case. Construction of triangles, special cases. Let us consider to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and some of the other two sides. Let us take one example. To construct triangle ABC, in which BC is equal to angle B is equal to 60 degrees. One of the base angle is 60 degrees and sum of the other two sides AB plus AC is equal to 12 centimeters. Instead of giving these two sides separately, their sum is given to us. That's how the construction of this triangle is considered as a special case. Let us see how to construct the triangle. Let us mark 2 points B and C and join them to get our base. BC is equal to 7 centimeters. Now, the given sum is 12 centimeters. Let us consider the sum of the other two sides. AB plus AC, which is given as 12 centimeters, we'll consider that as radius, and with B as center, we'll draw an arc of radius 12 centimeters. Now our next task is to construct a 60 degrees angle at B. For that, take some convenient radius with B as center, draw an arc, and then from the point of intersection of the line segment BC and the arc drawn, we have to draw another arc intersecting the previous arc. Now, while drawing the arc, don't change the radius. That is how we construct an angle 60 degrees. So, let us mark the point of intersection and join it with B and extend it still further to intersect the arc which we have drawn earlier and mark the point of intersection as E. Let us join E and C. Now children, what we got is a triangle with the given base BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Of course, the base angle 60 degrees, but this is not the required triangle because what we have drawn as this side is the sum of the two sides. It's not one of the side of the required triangle. It is the sum of the two sides. Now our task is to find a point on this line segment BE such that the sum of A, that is, if I can find a point on this line segment B, a point A, such that my AB plus AC should be equal to 12 centimeters. Now, to find a point on B which can make the sum of AB and AC as 12. To find that point, we need to construct perpendicular bisector of the line segment EC. Let us do that. For that, we need to take more than half of the length of the line segment EC. So, let us take more than half of the length of the line segment as radius and draw arcs on either sides of EC once from taking C as center and again with the same radius E as center, we will be drawing the arcs intersecting the previous arcs. Now joining these two, the points of intersection of these arcs, let us mark them first. Let the point of intersection of these two arcs be point P and point Q. Let us join these 2 points P and Q to get the perpendicular bisector of the line segment EC. Let us mark the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector PQ of EC and our BE as A. Now, mark that point A and join A and C to get the required triangle. So, the triangle AB, let us join these sides, AB, AC and BC to get the required triangle ABC. Now, how do you think that this triangle ABC is our required triangle? Let us try to see that. Now, let us measure our BC, which we have drawn. The length of the BC, which we have considered it as 7 centimeters. Yes, of course, this is the base of our triangle. And let us measure the angle which we have constructed. It is 60 degrees. Now, the last task is to see how AB plus AC is 12 centimeters. Now, just look at the perpendicular bisector PQ, children. We know that any point that lies on this perpendicular bisector of the line segment EC will be at equal distance from its endpoints. That is, as we know, A is on the perpendicular bisector PQ, AE will be equal to AC. Initially, we have considered AB plus AE as 12 centimeters. Now, as AE is equal to AC, we'll get as AB plus AC is equal to 12 centimeters. That's how the triangle is constructed. Let us write steps for construction. As we have drawn a line segment BC of length 7 centimeters. First step will be draw a line segment BC of length 7 centimeters. Then with B as center and AB plus AC, which is equal to 12 centimeter here in this case as radius, we have to draw an arc. Then construct angle 60 degrees HB. Now join EC. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of the line segment EC. Let the perpendicular bisector of EC intersect with EB at A. Join AC to get the required triangle ABC. That's how this special case has to be constructed.